Hello guys, today we are back with another video. I got a new bike. If you're wondering why it's purple here, my friend Jack, I'm around his for a sleepover. Just playing some Fortnite. He gave me a little TV. Yeah, Jack, you're in the video. He gave me black currant squash without any water, and this happened. And he spanked me with cheese. And yeah, I got a new bike, so I might do a bike check later. So I'll see you for now. Actually, I'm going to make this video 2 days. 2-day video. 2 in 1. Yeah, just see you for now. Guys, it turns out it's a new day. I'm here with Jack. We're still playing some Fortnite.
Alright, stop. Go away.
We're still playing some Fortnite. And
Try and make a YouTube
yeah.
video and put the camera in my face.
I'm going to do something else. So, see you. Guys, I'm here for
That's camera.
No, I'm here.
I'll record you,
It's already recording.
Yeah, I'll record you.
Me and Ron just found this like foresty bit.
Oh my god.
It's like this track. No. Oh, I need to do a bike check, yeah? Can you lift it up?
Yeah, I'll be like.
Alright. This is the bike check, guys. B-twin. It's a real B-twin. 18mm. Suspensions.
I'm pretty sure that's the weight adjuster.
That's the logo of B-twin. See that? It's a B-twin, yeah.
Beefing, you said that like 20,000 times.
I've got this walk rider thingy. See it there? I've got this. I've got a torch, light. I've got a light.
Wait, let me turn the light on. Boom.
There we go, the light, turn it off. Then we got the bell, it was already on it. And we got a stand on the other side.
Oh my god, you got a stand? I didn't know.
I got a stand, and I got a bottle holder. Yeah, it works. And like, this is my bike check.
Why do I
It's a very good bike.
Yeah, shit.
It's like, yeah. Alright, I just got myself a thumbnail there. Yeah, I was a bit off pause because my phone just worked. My camera's on 20%. Yeah, we just found the street and then we're gonna go back to our friends later, Jack and Felix. So like, see you for now. Hello guys, we are here. We're at this mini foresty place, and yeah. So Rowan's room. Alright, I can give you a house tour. Alright, this is Felix. Go follow his channel. He'll be right here. I'll give it some time. He'll be right here. Yeah. And that's Jack. That's Jack. Yeah, let me go show you on. I am my bike there. My bike. I run. Ron's up on that tree.
Yeah?
Let's run.
Hi.
I can't. Oh yeah, there he is. That filly there. That's Ron. Alright, this is the entrance. So look, if we come in here, we've got the headquarters. This is like the chilling headquarters. This is Felix's room. We gave him Jerome's room. So you just come in. Here's like a mini toilet place here maybe. Oh, this might be his toilet. Then you have to there. Emergency exit. Then we come back here. Got Ryan's room. This is actually Jack's room. Jack gave it to Ryan. Got his mini den. Ryan's up there. That's his bike. I'll do my own boss because it's kind of the worst. What have you done? Oh guys, don't subscribe to Felix. Don't subscribe to Felix. Look what they done. This is Matty's room, but Jack went into it. This is Matty's like private toilet or some shit. Come in here, we need to move this stick. This is like his sleeping area and that. Yeah. Playing. Yeah, this is his playground. Yeah. And this is that bit. Come down here. Come in my room. My room. My room's here. Got a little place. And then if you come from here, ow, I've got my private toilet here. And then I've got my... Stop throwing it! Actually, pick you up. Sorry. Keep it.
Yeah, it's got one.
Guys, don't subscribe to Jag. I'll go on that bag. Alright, see you for now.
Max is going to fucking go.
Oh no!
Easily
When I
got
delete
that.
that.